Okay. If anyone is in here, if we can check if I am having a great sound right now. Should be. I'm gonna just publish on Instagram a little story to say that I'm live. Gonna do that very quickly. Sound should be okay. Let me check that directly on YouTube. Sound should be okay. Yeah, perfect. Just gotta take the link. Now live on YouTube. Okay. Yeah. Better. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Let's just start with this. Now this is way too overblown, eh? I would have to find a way to actually shut down this window over my head. This is what is causing this gigantic mess in here. Shall I put down a little bit of the luminosity? Maybe. Let me try. Okay. I am overall like a bit more dark, but yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, it's all right. Yeah. Okay. Let me just double check that everything is going on. Story is live. Tweet. Tweet is live too. And finally, LinkedIn post. LinkedIn post seems to be live as well. Yep. Okay, you can go somewhere else. For now. Whew, gotta get that coffee. Let me put you guys a little bit on the left for now. Okay. And start recording. So this is day 3 of building this machine. Apparently today is a big day. Because today we are mounting the E-axis and what looks to be the fuse, the extruder itself. And I looked into the bare consumption instruction at the very end of this chapter, and it seems that it is the biggest chapter because we get to eat a lot of gummy bears at the end. So I guess we will get started. First of all, this can go down. As a reminder, we built the Z-axis last time. This is what I'm touching right now. I don't know if you are supposed to do that, but yeah, quite happy with how it's starting to turn out. So I have this here. I'm going to put the microphone just down there. I'm going to need you right away. Neither you. And I have all of those. That can go here as well. Okay, E-axis. Glasses. I do have my coffee. And we can start right away. Let's go. Oh, this is the most important and hardest chapter. Take your time, don't rush. Properly assemble the extruder is essential. Okay. The bag with fasteners includes M320 and M318 screws. Make sure you won't mix them. I did that mistake in the past. Keep the magnets apart in sufficient distance. Also, there is magnets, eh? Okay. They can break each other. All right. The hot end for the Mark 3S Plus needs a shorter PTFE tube compared to the Mark 3S. More info over there. Okay. Pay great attention to cable management. If you miss some important steps, you would need to disassemble the extruder. This bag includes extra fasteners. Don't worry if you finish with a few unused screws and nuts. Got it. Extruder body parts preparation. For the following steps, please prepare extruder body, adapter printer, FS levers. Levers. Lever. Huh. I guess lever. All right. So this is chapter 5. Chapter 5 for the E-axes. And chapter 5. Okay, as usual, let's put this here. We have our little routine now, and everything goes here. So, extruder body first. I think this is the biggest part in here. Nope. There you go. This looks really good. They have a few strands here and there, but overall, ooh. No, this inside looks really bad. I'm not looking forward to this. I have to admit I am not looking forward to this. Okay. And finally, I need one M318, one M310, 2 nuts, 2 other nuts, steel ball. Wow, this is a lot of parts. Okay. Oh, this is a lot. This is a lot. Oh, and these are the magnets. Okay. I'm gonna be okay. I am gonna be okay. So, everything on this sheet. All right. So first of all, M310s. Yep. We got one here and we got 2. Oh, we only need 1. And also, they were asking for M318, not M310s. This is already going well. Okay. Is this an 18? Nope, this is a 20. Yeah. This is an 18. It is. Okay, so one like this. 110. 2 square nuts. 2 normal nuts. Steel ball. Where can I find that? Supposed to be only 1 in here. This is a belt. Okay, fan, okay. Yo, is the ball this really tiny thing? No, impossible. What is the ball? Oh, okay. It was in here. Nice. Ball and the magnets. The magnets are here. Okay. And you can go there. And they said to keep the magnets at reasonable distance from one another. Let's keep them together for now. They are stuck right now. Those are really small magnets. Okay. Take the M3NS nut and insert it into the extruder body. Make sure the nut is all the way in. Ensure the correct alignment of the nut using the Allen key. Okay, this is a good old trick that we know now. Okay. Okay, let's get started. I'm really afraid of this part of the build. To be completely honest with you. Very scared. This already doesn't fit as easily as I want it to. Good enough for now. And this tiny one in here. For the square one. The square one, in my opinion, are the worst. Like you have to be really lucky for them to be aligned perfectly. Huh. There you go. Nope. Still not it. Okay. How do we check if we are aligned? Because I don't see stuff in here. Cannot see anything. Yeah. Almost. Way better. This is going to take quite some time. Can feel it. Okay. Secure the nut using the M310 screw. There you go. What's up, Marius? I mean, for the moment, not very much, trying to focus into building this machine. We are building a 3D printer, and it's going sort of okay. For the moment, this is day 3, and this is apparently the most difficult part of the build. And we start this beautiful adventure with a screw that doesn't fit in. How wonderful is that? Jesus. Yeah, it doesn't want to go in. Huh. I already had this issue quite a few times building this. But that's okay. It happens. Let me recheck for alignment. Problem is I cannot see a lot in here. I think it can go a little bit more down. Okay, let me try with a thicker Allen key. This is already great. I'm also really tired, working with approximately 5 hours of sleep, which does not feel great for a part of the build that is apparently that important. Oh yeah, I can feel the edge. Okay. I feel that I cannot be more aligned than that. Let's try again. Ooh. Ooh, and this time. Perfect. Nice. Step 1. Done. Tighten the screw just slightly. Later we need to add the Super PNDA sensor. Okay. Pinda sensor. PINDA. Take the 2 inferior nuts and insert them. Use the screw pulling technique. With what screw exactly? Because this is quite a long one. So I guess this is going to use this one. No way to be sure. Nice. Okay. We are gaining confidence though, as the days go by. Boom, boom, boom. Flip the extruder body and insert the M3NS nut. Okay. All the way in the part. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is a tight one. Really tight one. Okay, I'm going to use the plier technique. Okay. Just a little bit more. Perfect. Well, perfect. As perfect as I can get it. It's not perfect, obviously. I forgot this tiny part. Where would that be? Huh. Nope. Looks like I am forgetting something. Take the smaller magnet and insert it carefully into the FS lever. But where is the FS lever? This is my question right now. Is there 2 parts to this build? Looks like it. Let me check the box. The answer is yes. The answer was yes. Okay. Boom. That's it. And finally, that one too. Cool. I can see that I already skipped 2 steps. I was supposed to prepare those parts earlier. I am afraid I'm going to do huge mistakes during the building of the extruder. Okay. So I have this. Yeah, that is done. And take the smaller magnet. Those are strong magnets. Goodness. And insert it carefully in the FS lever. Majority of the magnet will be hidden inside the 3D printed part. Oh goodness. Well, you say carefully, but this is really tight, like uncomfortably tight. Is this clean enough? Can be cleaner. I'm gonna try to take some of the material off. So when I'm building this machine, what is the first thing you're going to print with it? Probably just a benchy. You know, like those classics. Some suggested a mini version of me, but I don't think... First of all, I don't have the model for it, and I don't have a 3D scanner in here. But probably a benchy. It's just a model of a little boat. If you go online and type benchy, B-E-N-C-H-Y, it's the classic, let's say, benchmark 3D model to print to check if your printer is nicely set up and stuff. But yeah, probably that, I guess. I am really afraid to push in. There were extra... They basically said that the magnet really is fragile. So I'm going to try to be careful. Okay. Whoa. It's in. Not enough. Yeah, almost. Just a little bit more. This requires so much force. Goodness. Is this enough? Looks like it. I'm gonna push one more time, one last time. Okay. Let's call that done for now. Insert the lever in the body. So, like this, okay. Secure the part with the M318. Yes, sir. Tighten it, but ensure the lever can move freely. Okay. Warning, make sure the following procedure is done right. Well, this is the next procedure. This is not right now, so. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Not too tight. This can move freely still. One more. Boom. Nice. insert the bigger magnet into the extruder body. Okay, so this will be right there. It will stick out. Incorrect setup. The magnets are attracting each other. Thus, the lever is pulled to the left. Correct setup. The magnets are repelling each other. Thus, the lever is pushed to the right. Okay, let's check that. I don't want to lose this ball. Let's put it in here. Okay, so they should repel each other. So here, there, repel, and here they attract. Okay, so they should repel. Yeah. Push a bit more. Tiny bit more. Nice. So, yeah, they are repelling each other. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna try to push it down a little bit further. Sticks out quite a bit. Nice. Next, take the printed part of the adapter and insert the steel ball in. Boom. Roll the ball to all sides. Ensure smooth movement. It is smooth. Smooth enough, I guess. In case of any rough surface, remove the ball and clean the inside of the 3D printed part. Visual inspection. Seems clean enough. Yeah. Place the printer part together with the steel ball and extruder body. See the rounded proportion of the printed part. It must fit in the groove. The extruder body, the surface, body part should almost align. Okay. Don't use any screws to secure the adapter printer. It should hold inside your printer by itself. Okay. All right. This is scary. Oof. Boom. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. This is wonderful design. Wow. Having a nerdgasm right now. This is so nicely put together. Goodness. Okay. Next. For the following steps, prepare. Extruder motor. And I think this is the very last motor of the build. Yep. This extruder motor plate. What does it look like? This. 2 M310 screws. M310s right there. One and two. Attention, there is a set of Bondtech gears. Make sure you have all the parts and you are using correct ones. Use now. Bondtech gear with a set of screws. Okay, but like this is the only one I have. Oh, with a set screw. If the screw is out, gently screw it in. Use later. Okay, but I don't know what you're saying right now. With a set screw. Okay. I guess this is the one. Shouldn't be too much of a mistake right now. Okay. Boom. In the upcoming steps, always check the picture to ensure the correct orientation of the bounty gear. Always double check your work. Will do. Will do. We'll try. Take the extruder motor plate. Insecure it using the 2 infinite screws. Use the cable as a guide. Alright. So, down there. This looks to be this way. Yep. Screw number 1, screw number 2. Oh, this fits so nicely. Resist temptation to place the screw in the 3rd hole. Will do. Leave it for later. With a little winky face. Rotate the shaft. As in the picture, okay? There you go. That's a monkey right there. Monkey! Okay. Slide the gear onto the shaft. Will do. This way. Rotation in the picture. Flat part must be face the direction of the arrows. Well, I mean, cannot be more aligned than that. If you ask me. Yeah. Oh, this is a little bit too tight. Okay. So again to the shaft. The set screw must be facing against the flat part of the shaft. Tighten the screw slightly. There is a channel for filament inside the 3D printed part. Align approximately the teeth of the gear with it. Okay. Well, how aligned exactly? I'm guessing like that. Well, they said approximately, so it's going to be approximated. Yeah. I don't know if I'm being too cautious right now. Okay, can still rotate. Looks to be aligned. Okay. Nice, nice. Don't tighten the screw just yet. Realign it properly first. See next step. All right. Take a piece of filament. You can use the bonded one on the spool. Do not use the black nylon. which is too thick. Okay, straighten the filament as much as possible. All right. So I need wool. PLA Galaxy Black. So I need to cut a piece, right? I just would like the beginning of the spool first, please. Am I an idiot for not being able to find that? I cannot find the beginning of the spool. Wonderful. Oh, there you go. Come on out. Okay. So a small piece should do the trick. There. Straighten the filament as much as possible. Well, cannot do much more than that. Yeah. Place the filament along the path and align the gear properly. The filament will be always slightly bent, okay? Use it anyway to initial alignment. For final check, replace the filament with the Allen key. Bear in mind the key has slightly different size as the filament. Tighten the screw slightly to temporarily fix it. And make the final check and tighten the screw later. Be careful, you can strip the thread. Oof. Don't use any glue to fix the screw in place. You will not be able to release it. No, replace the entire motor. Oof. Okay. So, filament is in here. Well, looks sort of aligned to me. I mean, looks to be enough. Yeah. Oh. How am I gonna do that? Okay. All right. Good enough, in my opinion. For this step, prepare extruder cover 1. Extruder cover. Yep. And the square nut. Slide the nut all the way in. Will do. Well, that was a nice one. Finally. Nice. Ensure correct alignment using the Allen key. Done. Leave the all on the on empty for now. We'll use it later. Okay? Boom. For this step, prepare hot end of the MK3S Plus. Where would it be? Nope. Where is that? Port 9, port 7. Is it in a totally different box? This is the LCD. Where in God's heaven is this? Extruder axes. Something seems to be missing, and I'm not kidding. Yeah, where was that? Where is the actual extruder? I cannot find the extruder. Did they explain where it is? No. No, they don't. No way this is missing in the box. Well, I think we need help. Let's go check the website. Coding scene, and let's go. Prusa help. Mark 3S Plus. There you go. Instruction this. And I'm on part 12. Is there any comments in here? Nineteen comments. Should be assembled. Okay, but like, I want to know where it is. Because I cannot find it. Oh my god. This is getting really embarrassing. So let's go back to the boxes and try to look for it. No, 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 no. Not for the PSU, not this, not that. This is just a USB cable. Electronics. There you go. Extrude the box. Whew. Finally. Let's open it. There it is. So, I have that prepared. M340 screws. Let me turn that back. M340. Okay. I need two. There you go. And two M310s. 1 and 2. Use the M340 later on. Keep them around. Okay. Don't cut the main zip tie of the hot end cable. Alright? Remove the rubber band. It should make the assembly easier. Okay? Take your M310 screws and insert them into the holes. Doing this now makes the assembly slightly easier. But both holes are shallow and the screw might fall out. If it happens, you can continue without them and put them back later on. You'll be notified later. Thank you. Also note that in the few upcoming pictures, the screw might be missing. Understood. Place the hot end next to the extrusion body. And if they put it apart, correctly place the hot end on the cable and align them with the next step. Okay. So first of all, let's place the screws. So here, yeah, really shallow. I think this is going to fall out at some point. And now let's place the hot end. This should be on the left. This is on the left. Oh, this is why you need to place the screw first. I understand now. Okay. In order to protect the hot end cable, ensure to the proper orientation. Uh-huh. Okay. Place the extruder with the hot end on the box and make sure the cable's on the left side of the opening. We'll use not this box. Doesn't make sense. This box. Place your finger temporarily on the longer magnet and place the extruder motor assembly on the extruder body. Why would I need to place that on the magnet? Place the extruder cover, the extruder against the body. Sure, both parts are aligned. Okay. Place the extruder cover against the body. And you're going to make sure that all three parts are properly aligned. Insert the 2 and 340 screws, tighten them, but be careful, they are slightly longer than the thickness of the entire assembly. Alright then. Place the extruder aside for a few steps. Prepare for another part. Leave it on the box to prevent damaging the cables. Alright. The extruder seems to go that way. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And finally, I take that one and put it here. Oh, this is tough. So this is why you need to place the screws. I get it. And boom. Okay. All right. Tighten them, but be careful. They are slightly longer. Yeah. You mentioned that. Gonna try to be cautious. Oh, this is what they meant. Okay. Yes, it is longer. This is a really nice assembly. Come on. We are making so much progress. And I forgot to go back to this. Okay. And nobody told me in chat. Thank you, viewers. Yep. Yep. Is this tight enough? I think so. That's all right. This Allen key is slipping because it wasn't the right one. Makes sense. Yeah, way better. Solid. Boom. Next. Please extrude on the side. Done. Oop, just a sec. Need to change that music. And we are back. Step 15. We use this part. 3 square nuts. No, actually 4. 3 and 4. And 2 normal nuts. And the IR sensor cable. Here. For the following note insertion, use a screw. That's an order. Seriously, use a screw to pull the nuts in. Both have the property seated. Both have to be properly seated in the X carriage. Okay. Let's first try to put them in. Ooh, this is not the best. This is tough. Goodness. Oof. Did I damage the part? No. All right. Tougher than I expected. As usual. Oh, this is not the right hole. Yes, there you go. There, one done. And the next one. Obviously. Never can be as easy as I wish. There you go. Something fell down. Usually not a good sign. But okay. I live with that. And we started to lose some daylight. So I'm going to put more ISO on my camera. Ugh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. My back always hurts doing those streams. It's weird. Okay. So boom, that was one. And now for those tiny nuts that I hate so much. Okay. Those are way looser. Like way looser. Nice, and the last one down there. Okay.
I wish you could be with me right now. But this is so nice, it must be illegal. So take it easy, I'll tell you about it.
Boom. Okay. Next. Take the IR sensor cable. And locate the end with the spolder connector. Place the cable in the X carriage. Use a small printed overhang to keep the cable inside. Distance between the connector and the X carriage must be around 15 millimeter. We'll adjust it later. Guide the cable through the slot. Carefully inspect the slot to memorize its shape, since it is going to be the best visible now. you need to guide the other cable through there later. Okay. $15mm. Yeah, there you go. Oh, this is really loose. Okay. Let me double check those 15mm. Ooh. Okay. 15mm and just like this. Yeah, it's more or less 2 centimeters, but that's all right. Let's stick it down there. Boom, there you go. Guide the cable through the slots and memorize it. Cannot do better than that.
So nice, it must be illegal. So take it easy outside your body.
Just got the DM in the chat asking if why do I not have my very first YouTube videos on my YouTube channel. For the viewers in here, before all of this technical aspect of things, when I was younger, I did the YouTube videos, humor type of stuff. Obviously very cringy, but yeah, that part of my life existed, just like every single content creator ever. So at the moment, they are hidden because not really aligning with what I do at the moment. So yeah, this is to answer your question. It was a French question, by the way. Following the cable management is crucial for the extruder to work properly. Read the instruction carefully. Start by making a small loop just below the extruder motor. All right. But I do not understand where. Okay. So making a loop on the extruder motor, leave a slack about 2 or 3 centimeters. Those are really specific instructions. Okay. Okay. Then guide the cable in the channel all the way to the back. Done. Slightly bend the cable down to form it around the edge. Something like that, I guess, eh? Okay. Oof. This is getting complicated. A little bit scared right now. Before you assemble the X carriage, check the nuts in the extruder body are still in place. The nuts? I mean, why would they not be? Grab this carriage and place it into the bag. Oh, this is why. You need to memorize where the cable is. Okay. Okay, this is really scary. Placing into the back of the extruder assembly as shown in the picture. We'll try to do my best. Make sure the motor cable follow the channel both in the extruder body and the X carriage. In the X carriage, the motor cable will follow the path in the IR sensor cable. Ensure no wire is pinched. Okay? Then use the M3 screws and the Allen key with the ball end to connect the pads together. Yeah, this is the only Allen key I've been using actually. This might be why it's starting to be stripped a tiny bit. It will be slightly inclined. Okay, if you're interested in the screw at the moment, if you're interested in the screw at this moment, it will be slightly inclined in the beginning. And it will be straightened up after a few turns. Don't tighten the screw completely. You need to adjust the RI cable. Turn the extruder to the other side, and if needed, insert the M310 screws in. Don't tighten the screw. We need to adjust the RI cable. Oh, okay. So this needs to go something like this, yeah. This looks to be okay. Oof. Oh, okay. No, I understand. So 2 to 3 centimeters. You got those, you got these. Okay. Cables do not appear to be pinched. They can move sort of freely. I want them to go under the box though. Just like this. Yep. Okay, and this is where we tighten the screws. Is this engaged? Yes, it is. Okay. Victory. Oh, this is tough to get out. Okay, 1. And 2. Ah. Come on. Oh, don't tighten the screw too much. Oops. This is enough. I mean, not missing anything. This is so nice though. Good job. Grab an extra gummy bear for this. Thank you so much, Joseph. Okay. Part 19, done. IR sensor part preparation. There it is. So this is the IR sensor. Very first time working with the actual electronics of this project. Well, at least the PCB in this project. We did touch some electronic components. Okay. See the size of this. So yeah, this is the component. Really, really small. I hope we will not have to do any maintenance on that one. Did I already do a mistake? Okay, I am actually really lucky to see this right now. But I inverted this part and that one. So we are going to take this apart and start again. I shouldn't do this being tired. This is not a good idea. Okay, this should come loose now. There. That wasn't that bad. There you go. And this cable was a pain in the ass to set up. We're going to do it again. Yep. All aligned. All aligned. There you go. I need to be more patient than that. This could have cost me quite a lot if I did continue without checking this mistake. Not too tight, we said. Not too tight. There you go. Still is a beautiful assembly though. Okay. So I need, boom, this, whoa, an M28 screw. M28, we do have those. Oh yeah, there you go, special bolts, M28. Yep, this is one. And what else? An M340. Look at the big ones. Yeah. There we go. Be careful with the filament sensor. Do not touch the PCB, nor the chips on it. Hold the PCB from the sides. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Place your sensor at the top of the extruder body and secure it with the M28 screw. Make sure the black plastic U-shaped part is facing down. Okay. Tighten the M28 screw on the sensor. Shouldn't be able to move. Be careful with the PCB. The PCB isn't indestructible. Yeah. Connect the cables. Mind the correct orientation of the connector and the wire. Leave a slack behind the sensor like in the picture. Okay. Don't create too big of a loop inside that will interfere with the frame. If needed, adjust the lengths by gently pulling or pushing the cable. Ready? Okay, check once more. Now the cable is pinched. No cable is pinched in the title. If the screw bro inserted previously. Okay. 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 So this should go this way. And we take the tiny M2 screw. And we have issues, obviously. Oh, this is a tiny hole. That's why. Okay, can you please go in? Nice. You don't want to go in, eh? You don't want to do that. I'm going to try to be more patient than you. I know you don't have feelings, you're a screw, but I do have feelings, so can you please fit into this thing? It's not working. Like, not at all. Like, is it self-tapping or something? Let's try without this. Let's pursue gently inside. Goodness. Nope. I don't know how to do this. And I'm really scared to lose the screw. Like, terribly scared. I don't want to tap it in. Oh. Okay, I think it's biting. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Whew. Okay. That was a tough one. Like a really tough one. Tighten, okay. Tighten the screw, but not too much. Nice. And then I need to connect the thing inside there. Okay. I think you should hear me now. I have issues with my XLR cable. So now you should hear me. Yep. I fucked the orientation of that one right there. Okay, let's untie this. And let's do it again. Let's go here. Perfect. One screw there. And one last one over here. This wasn't actually the thing to disconnect. This was it. Oof, this is a tight fit. There you go, this is loose now. What is the correct orientation of this? On that side. Yeah. This should be like this. Boom, good enough. Yeah, as they said, cable management seems to be everything in this part of the build. Okay, let's retight all of those. Boom. Seems that we do like 2 steps forwards, 1 step back. Meaning that it is really frustrating, but we do make progress. And that's the most important thing. Yes, and finally this one. Okay. Now time for the fans. Those many fans. Important, the hot end fan is shipped in 2 versions. Check carefully which version you have, version A or version B. Ooh, I have a Noctua fan. That's nice. Version A, the fan cable is bundled. The fan cable bundle is covered in a black sleeve. It is. Version B, the fan cable is not covered. Each fan uses different fasteners, including the package. You'll be informed in relevant steps, the assembly procedures. Okay. So I do have a Noctua fan, which is really nice. Really nice. Oh, my back hurts. Okay. The fans were tested and optimized so that you have the same cooling performances. Nice. For the following steps, prepare hot end fan and 3 M314 screws. Those are not the M314. I don't have M314s in this package, it seems. Yeah, so where is that? Make sure you're using the correct screws. Keep the cable bundled for now. There you go. That should be it. Actually, let's sort all of those out for now. So this is version A. Okay. M314s. This is an M314. This also. This is not. And this is. Nice. For easier fan installations, remove temporarily the black twist tie. Okay. From the cable bundle and release it at least one loop. So something like this. Before you move to the next step, take an Allen key and gently push the motor cable to the channel to create space for the fan cable. Okay. There, gently pushed. As you asked. The fan has 2 sides. One has a sticker. Make sure the side is facing inside the extruder. Okay. First, create a loop on the cable. Make sure the black protective wrap is close to the edge of the fan. So something like this. Place the fan on the extruder and proceed in the following way. Start by placing the fan's cable in the upper channel. Slide the fan close to the X carriage and gently push the cable using an Allen key. Before you push the fan all the way to the left, place the cable in the X carriage. Final check. The fan is oriented in the cable facing up. Okay. If the cable goes through the upper channel and the way to the X carriage. The X carriage, don't forget don't forget to use both channels. Make sure the cable isn't pinched along the way. Okay. So all that this way, and this goes that way. Oh boy, does it feel wrong. Oh boy, does it feel really wrong. Starting to wonder if this was a good idea. Okay, gonna gently do that. Let's be really gentle. Okay, this is where I use the Allen key, right? Goodness. Okay. Saying okay, trying to reassure myself. No cable seems to be pinched. Like, a little bit, yeah, but like, it's supposed to be this way. Holes are aligned. And now I install the screws. Use the 14 screws to fix the fan. It's like, don't over tighten them. You can break the fan's plastic casing. Also make sure the fan can rotate freely. That's the case. Note that the screws are self-tapping in the 3D printed part. There are no nuts. Leave the last hole empty for now. Now go to extruder idler parts preparation. Oh, okay. I cannot see shit in there. Okay. Whew. One screw in. There you go. And one last one, finally. Okay, boom. Whew. It's already 5 in here, I still have an hour, because I have a call right after. Boom. There we go. Extra dial part preparation. Nice. Let me just check how many steps are left. Quite a few. Quite a few. I guess we are going to stop soon. I think we could stop here. Like, this has been 2 hours of streaming. I think we could stop here. I also feel terribly tired. But yeah, in 2 hours we made some good progress. We are, I think, halfway through the extruder portion of the build, which feels nice, because apparently, once again, it is the hardest part of this build. We still have around quite a few actually. Yeah. A bit less than 40 steps to go. But this seems to be something that we can do tomorrow. Ugh, my God. Day 3, this is by far the day where I've been the most exhausted doing this. It's been really hot in here in France, and sleeping gets harder and harder, but some rain is supposed to come really soon. But yeah, thanks for everyone who tuned in. We made some amazing progress on the extruder. This is some amazing technology right there. Nicely engineered. So great to be able to work with such materials. But yeah, that's it for me. Everyone, please enjoy the rest of your day. And I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.